Hi class, this is Mr. McClure. For this lesson, we're going to learn how to create our own Gmail account. So first thing you'll do is click on the search bar, and I'll type in Google. I'm going to search by pressing enter. Go down, click on Google. Go over to the top right corner where it says sign in right here. I'm going to click on that. And I do not have a Google sign in. So I go down here to create an account. That's what we're trying to do, create a Google account, a Gmail account. So I'll double click this for myself, and then I enter my name, first and last, whatever I want my email to be called. So I'll try chance.mcclure@gmail.com. Type in a password, and this is anything you would like for it to be, but it needs to be secure, something that no one else can guess. And for an example, I'm going to tell you mine for this fake email address. Mine will be capital I WANT, want, food. I'm going to make this visible to you. And then an exclamation point. So you have a capital letter, lowercase letters, and then an exclamation point. It's hard for someone to guess. It's not relative to your name, to your birthday, your phone number, anything like that. Something abstract that people won't think of. Okay, so that's taken. So down here, it offers me a list of available email addresses similar to mine. So I'm just going to pick one of these for example purposes and show it to you. You can keep plugging in stuff as much as you want to get your desired email handle, but I'm just going to choose this one right here. chancemcclure55@gmail.com. Next. And I'll put in my phone number, and it's optional, so I'm not going to put that in. Recovery email address. Put in your parents' email address. Then your birthday. Gender by clicking this bar. Scroll down, male, female, or rather not say, or custom. If you're interested in why they ask for the information, right here you can click on this and figure out. I'm going to go next. Goes to the privacy terms and conditions. Scroll down, read through those. If you agree with those terms and conditions, you click agree. I agree with them. And now I have my own Gmail account. Right here, I can access all of my apps that Google offers. I have my personal account, my search engine, maps for directions, YouTube, Google Play, Google News, Gmail where all my emails will be located, all my contacts where I can find email addresses of people that I'd like to get in touch with, Drive where I can put files, Calendar, translate for different languages, photo storing, and then shopping. And that's your Gmail account. Great to have. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.